traction, bad boy. Hey, kidding me. Trees, more trees. What's up, shredders? We're out at Karawatha today. It's about a week after all the floods here in Brisbane. Pretty much everybody got affected from it. They either stuck in it or had to go around it or something. My place got flooded in for just on 7 days. 6 days without any power. House didn't go under, so I'm one of the lucky ones, but yeah, it wasn't any good. Sort of heart goes out to everyone that lost everything. Yeah, natural disasters, not a good thing, eh? We're kicking it on the Ebs today. Got the e-bike, going for another cruise. Just sort of set it up, the suspension a bit better than last time, so hopefully I don't face plant or anything. Yeah, come to check out what Karawatha is all about. The other day they had a big storm through here and heaps of trees were down, a few of my mates were saying, and I think Brisbane City Council came in and fixed a lot of them, especially on the fire roads. I don't know about the single tracks, but yeah, just seeing what's still being able to ride here. A lot of the trails are pretty high and dry, some of them here, if you know your way around, and get a half decent loop in anyway, so let's get into it. Yeah, there's all this high and dry stuff over near the motorway. If you go sort of down towards Woodridge and Tindra Park area, it's quite wet down there, really low lying. Heaps of little creeks go through there. Trail goes this way. Heap of trees down all over the place. See, there've been some little trail ferries in here doing their best part. No downside on that thing. Maybe this used to be a bit of a feature. Try and get up here on your analog bike. Gee, with the e-bike, just wants the wheelie, but go up like it's nothing. Pretty big effort if you get up that on a normal bike. Where am I going? Over here. Not off the cliff. Ooh, let's rode it out just a tiny little bit. Ooh, it's wet there. Here's some dude in a motorbike in here. Used to ride motorbikes in here, when we were in our 20s. A long time ago, then they blocked it off. Yeah, right. Won't be going through there in a minute. Bit of erosion from the all the rain. Hey. This way ain't good. Alright. Tell you what guys, this all this area is usually dead dry even after hectic rain. And yeah, it's wet. It's unbelievable. Never seen those. Off camber. Oh, there's a drop around here somewhere. Yup. Straight off that. Down into fuck knows. Probably a small one to the left there, but this one's probably about a good 5 footer or more. And today, excuses. Haha. Cut in a little bit of trail. Interesting. Super off camber. Fun. Alright. Phew. Little rock shoot up there. Pretty cool. Go around and have a look. Crazy on my normal bike, I could paddle up to about here. Now I'm struggling to get up on the e-bike. Nah, too steep. You know, when it's too steep for the eaves, it's fucking steep. Hey, kidding me? Trees, more trees. Pretty chill. Couple of lines, easy line. Not stopping in a hurry. Fuck me. How do you walk this bastard? That's better. Good traction, bad boy. Ha! Just heard some lightning, looked out that way. Oh, the storm coming. Fuck's sakes. My last video, well, the video before that, stuck in that big storm. Queensland weather. Beautiful one day, fucking shit the next. Righty guys, this is going to do it for this one. Only short and sweet, just to come out and check the trails out. A lot of them are still pretty wet, so probably give it another week. And everything should be pretty prime. See you out there anyways. See you in the next one. Woo!